Today, the angels have brought to you an urgent and powerful message, something that is about to turn your world upside down, but in a way that you could never imagine. Have you ever felt, at some point, that there is a presence in your life that seems inexplicably connected to your destiny? A person who appeared in your path so unexpectedly that you still wonder why this connection is so intense, so difficult to ignore? Now is the time to uncover the truth, and it will transform everything you know. The angels have been closely watching every step you took, every thought that crossed your mind. They know about the doubts, the confused feelings, and the questions that have not yet found answers. Many times, you have asked yourself, why did this person enter my life so abruptly and intensely? What does this mean? Get ready, because you are about to understand that nothing, absolutely nothing, was by chance. This person, who may have already caused so much confusion in your heart, was sent for a greater reason, a divine reason that transcends any common explanation. Every exchanged glance, every shared silence, even the unspoken words, are part of a celestial plan that the angels are revealing to you today. And this plan, when finally understood, will change everything you thought about this connection. The universe has been orchestrating something grand from the very beginning, and now the angels ask you to prepare yourself, for the truth will be revealed. Have you noticed how this person always seems to appear at the most crucial moments of your life? As if, in some way, their presence is destined to be the catalyst for profound changes in you? This person was guided to you by angels, to help you see parts of yourself that were asleep, to open emotional doors that you had kept closed for a long time. And now what is about to happen is something that will shake your world, but at the same time, bring a clarity that you have been seeking. This person is undergoing an intense transformation. The angels show that, just like you, this person also feels an unexplainable connection, something that pulls them towards you, even when they try to resist. And that resistance that you have often felt is about to disappear. Something is changing in their heart, something deep that they can no longer ignore. The angels want you to know that your role in this journey is greater than you imagine. You were the light that guided this person on a path of self-discovery, even if you have not realized it until now. As difficult as it may have seemed, as much as you have felt that everything was out of your control, the angels ask you to trust the divine process. This person is about to take an important step, a step that will change everything you know about this relationship. They are ready to reveal what they truly feel, and this revelation, surprising as it may be, will be what you needed to understand the purpose of this intense connection. The angels whisper that this connection, which for so long seemed shrouded in mystery and uncertainties, is actually a divine gift. Something that was planned a long time ago, in the celestial realms, to bring growth, love, and deep understanding. You and this person were meant to cross paths, not just as a random encounter, but as souls with a mission to fulfill together. And now, with the eyes of the angels upon you, this mission is about to be revealed in its entirety. But for you to receive this truth, the angels ask you to keep your heart open. Yes, some things may seem scary or uncertain at first, but divine truth always carries a sense of peace, even in the most unexpected revelations. What you need now is trust, faith, and the certainty that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. The person you hold in your thoughts is also going through an awakening process, and very soon, both of you will see what the angels have known since the beginning. This revelation will be something that will change the course of your life. You will see clearly the reason behind everything that has happened so far, the reason for every challenge, every doubt. The angels show that often it is in the midst of uncertainty that we find our greatest truths, and now you are about to discover yours. This person is about to take a step towards you, and that step will bring a truth that, although it may seem shocking, will be liberating. This is the time to prepare. The angels are around you, guiding every thought, every emotion, so that you are ready for what comes next. What you are about to uncover will shine a light on everything, from what you have felt to what this person is feeling. Now more than ever, it is time to trust in the angels and in the divine plan that is unfolding before you. As the veil of mystery begins to lift, you will realize that this connection was always meant to be something deeper than you imagined. The angels want you to know that from the beginning, every detail of this relationship was carefully orchestrated by celestial forces. Nothing was left to chance. This person, who has often stirred your emotions, was in your life for a much greater reason than you could see. For a long time, you may have questioned the ups and downs of this relationship, the moments of closeness and distance. But now, the angels reveal that every obstacle, every silence, and every doubt had a purpose. This person, though confused in their own feelings, is undergoing a profound spiritual awakening. And you are a fundamental part of this process. Your light, your patience, and your love have been like a beacon in the emotional storms this person has faced. It is important for you to know that the angels were guiding both of you at every moment, even when everything seemed lost. They closely watched how you dealt with uncertainties and fears, and how this person, even without realizing it, was being led to deeply reflect on what they felt. Now, the angels ask you to keep believing in the power of this connection, because the revelation that is about to happen is much greater than any expectation you may have. This person, who often seemed distant, is now at a crucial moment in their inner journey. The angels show that their heart is opening in ways they themselves cannot control. For a long time, they tried to ignore or suppress the feelings that arose, but the truth is that these feelings are too deep to be denied. And you, with your energy, are the one who triggered this transformation. Imagine a river that, for a long time, was blocked by rocks and obstacles. Now finally, these rocks are being removed, and the current is flowing freely again. This is the metaphor the angels used to describe what is happening in the heart of this person. The emotional blockage she felt for so long is dissolving, and the love that has always been present is beginning to emerge with all its strength. You must be wondering, but why did it take so long? Why did this person resist for so long what was clear to me? The angels whisper that, often, the fear of opening up to true love can be paralyzing. This person carried old wounds, deep-rooted fears that prevented her from fully surrendering. But now, with the help of the angels, these wounds are being healed, and the fears are turning into courage. The angels also want you to understand that this journey was not just about the other person. You have also been transformed during this process. Every moment of doubt, every unanswered question, helped shape who you are today. And now, you are more prepared than ever to receive what the universe has in store for you. The truth that is about to be revealed is not only about the feelings of this person, but also about your own growth and evolution. This revelation that is about to come will be like an awakening, not only for this person but for you as well. You will see clearly how each piece of the puzzle fits perfectly, how each challenge was a lesson, and how each moment of uncertainty was an opportunity to strengthen your faith. The angels ask you to keep this faith because what is about to happen is greater than you can imagine. The moment when this person will finally open up to you is approaching, and when that happens, it will feel like a huge weight has been lifted off both of you. The words that person will speak will be deep and sincere, and you will realize that despite all the time that has passed, the love between the two of you is unwavering. This love has been forged not only in moments of joy but also in hardships, and now it is ready to fully bloom. The angels are preparing the ground for this great revelation. They are guiding every step, yours and that person's, so that the right moment arrives and everything aligns in the most perfect way possible. You will see signs around you, small synchronicities that indicate the universe is working in your favor. It might be a song playing on the radio, a phrase you randomly read, or even a dream you have at night. All these will be reminders that the angels are by your side, preparing you for what is to come. When that person finally steps towards you, it will be a moment of great emotion. There will be tears, smiles, and a profound relief, as both of you will know deep in your hearts that everything happened exactly as it should. This meeting was not just a coincidence, but a gathering of souls destined to meet to fulfill a greater mission. Are you ready to receive this truth? The universe is asking you to prepare, as this revelation will be a milestone in your journey. The angels are by your side, guiding every thought, every emotion, and every decision. Trust in them, as what is about to happen is nothing less than a divine manifestation of the purest and truest love. Now that you are aware of everything the angels have revealed so far, it is important that you prepare yourself emotionally and spiritually for what is to come. The path you have walked so far has not been in vain, and every moment of waiting, every tear shed, everything was part of the process that the universe orchestrated for this exact moment. The angels ask you to keep your heart open and keep trusting, as the truth that will be revealed to you will change everything. This person, who has often tried to hide their feelings, is now at a point of profound transformation. The angels show that she is battling her own fears and insecurities. For a long time, she believed she could control her feelings, that she could keep those feelings hidden. But now, the strength of this love is greater than any barrier she tried to build. And it is consuming her in such a way that she is finally about to give in. Imagine this person's heart as a closed book, kept on a high shelf, out of reach. For years, she kept this book locked, not allowing anyone to open it. But now, thanks to the energy and light you brought into her life, the pages of this book are starting to unfold. And what is written in it is something you may have always known, but never had the chance to see completely. The angels show that this person is ready to open this book and show you the feelings she has kept for so long. Every word, every gesture of this person in the coming days will be a reflection of this awakening. Although she may still seem hesitant or insecure at times, the truth is that, deep inside, love is becoming impossible to ignore. The angels are working to dispel the fears and insecurities that were holding her back. They are helping this person to see that the love she feels for you is stronger than any fear she may carry. The angels also want you to know that this journey is about healing, both for you and for this person. You have been through many wounds, many disappointments, and perhaps have even thought about giving up. But now, you are being rewarded for your perseverance. What is to come is a profound healing, a healing that will touch the most sensitive and painful parts of your heart. And this healing comes through the truth that will be revealed. This person, who has long fought against their own feelings, is beginning to understand that what they feel for you is not something that can be ignored. The angels show that they are allowing themselves to be vulnerable, something they have never done before. And it is in this state of vulnerability that they will find the strength to finally open up to you. What they are about to say will surprise you, but at the same time, it will be as if a part of you always knew. You may be wondering, how can I prepare for this revelation? The angels ask you to focus on maintaining your inner peace. No matter what happens, they will be by your side, guiding every step of the way. You are not alone on this journey. The angels are creating the perfect conditions for everything to happen in the right time so that you can receive this truth with an open heart and a peaceful mind. When this person finally expresses what they feel, it will be a moment of great relief for both of you. There will be a sense of liberation, as if a huge weight has been lifted off your shoulders. The angels show that, at that moment, you both will have the clarity needed to understand what this connection truly means. And more than that, you will realize that this love was forged in the depths of the soul, and that nothing can break the bond that exists between you. This truth, though impactful, will also be a call for both to move forward together, with a new understanding and a new perspective. The angels reveal that you are ready to take the next step, but this step can only be taken with confidence and faith. The journey you have walked so far has been full of challenges, but each of these challenges has prepared you for what is to come. Now more than ever, the angels ask you to trust the process. What is about to happen will be a milestone in your life, something that will forever change the way you see love and spiritual connections. This person, who often seemed distant or confused, is now ready to open up completely. And when this happens, you both will realize that this connection was predestined, that your souls were meant to meet and grow together. The love that is about to be revealed is a love that transcends time, space, and any difficulty you have faced. It is a love that has been nurtured in the toughest moments, but will now flourish with all its strength. The angels ask you to keep your faith, for what comes next is the culmination of everything you have ever dreamed of. The revelation is close, and with it, will come the transformation you have been waiting for. The moment is approaching. The truth is about to be told, and when it is, you will see that it was all worth it. The angels are by your side, holding your hands, guiding your steps. You are about to receive the greatest gift the universe can offer, the truth of a love that never ceased to exist, even in the darkest moments. Get ready, for what comes next will change everything. Now that you are fully aware of all that has been revealed so far, it is essential to understand that this journey of love and healing is not over yet. What is about to unfold will be the most important chapter of this story, a chapter that you, guided by the angels, have been waiting for a long time. But the angels whisper that this is just the beginning of a new phase in your life, a phase marked by deep truths and spiritual transformations. The angels show that the person who occupies your thoughts is at a decision point. Right now, they are reflecting deeply on their feelings, on what this connection means to them. And although it has been a difficult path, full of fears and insecurities, this person is about to make the decision to open up to love. What once seemed impossible is now beginning to come true. This person is battling their own demons, against the emotional scars they have carried for so long. And this struggle has been silent, away from your eyes, but intense. The angels want you to know that, as much as it may have seemed that this person was distant, in reality, they were facing an internal battle about what they felt for you. A battle between the fear of getting hurt and the deep desire to be by your side. The angels show that this moment of decision is coming to an end. This person is about to step out of the shadows and finally show what they feel, without masks, without fear. When this happens, it will be like a wave of relief, a surge of energy that will sweep away all uncertainties and doubts. What they will say to you will be honest, it will be the raw truth, and this truth will bring a new light to everything you have experienced so far. What the angels want you to understand is that this is a moment of great significance, not only for this person but for you as well. You are being invited to open your heart in a way you may have never done before. To trust the divine process. To trust that the angels have been guiding each step, even in moments when everything seemed to be falling apart. This is the time to believe, to keep your faith intact, because what is about to happen will touch your heart deeply. When this person finally opens up, they will reveal a love that has been hidden for so long. They will share with you fears and hopes, desires and frustrations, and you will realize that deep down, you always knew that this love was there, just waiting for the right moment to manifest. The angels show that this moment has arrived, and that you are ready to receive this truth. This truth, however, will not only be a revelation about this person's feelings. It will also be an opportunity for both of you to be reborn, to start anew, this time with clarity and understanding. The angels want you to know that this connection is rare, something that few people experience in their lives, and therefore should be cherished and nurtured with all care and respect. What the angels also want you to understand is that this is a moment of healing. You and this person have carried wounds, from both the past and the present, and now is the time to leave them behind. This revelation will be like a balm for these wounds, a moment of profound spiritual healing, where both of you can finally find the peace you have been seeking so much. The love that this person feels for you is deeper than any words can describe. It is a love that transcends the barriers of time and space, a love that was forged in the highest spheres of the universe, and is now ready to manifest fully in your lives. And the angels want you to know that this love is real, it is true, and is about to blossom in a way you never imagined. The angels ask that, at this moment, you allow yourself to feel. Allow yourself to experience every emotion that arises, every sense of anticipation, because you are on the verge of a great awakening. What is to come is something that will change your life forever, but in a deeply positive way. This love that is about to be revealed will bring with it a new understanding of what it means to love and be loved. Are you ready for this new phase? The angels ask that you trust completely, as they are preparing everything for this revelation to occur at the perfect moment, in divine time. Every synchronicity you have noticed, every sign the universe has sent you, has been a confirmation that you are on the right path. And now, more than ever, you are about to reap the rewards of your faith and perseverance. This person, who has fought against their own feelings for so long, is finally ready to embrace the love they feel for you. The angels show that when this happens, it will be as if a new light is lit in your lives. Both of you will realize that you were destined to meet, that this connection was not a mere coincidence, but a part of the divine plan that brought you together. And now, as you await this moment of revelation, the angels ask that you continue to trust in them. They are by your side, guiding each step, illuminating each decision. What is to come will be proof that true love exists, and that it always finds a way to manifest, even in the most difficult times. You are about to experience a profound transformation, and the angels are here to ensure everything will unfold according to the divine plan. Get ready, for the truth that will change everything is very near. The journey you are about to embark on is not just about the love that will be unveiled, but about the awakening of a new phase in your life, filled with purpose and clarity. The angels are by your side, guiding each step, and everything you have experienced so far has been a preparation for this moment. Now, you are ready to receive the truth that will transform everything. Believe, trust, and open your heart, for what is to come is greater than you imagined. If this message touched your heart, if you feel that the angels are speaking directly to you, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will continue to receive divine guidance, spiritual revelations, and messages that will help you walk your path with faith and hope. Be sure to be part of this community of light, where we are guided by the angels in our spiritual journey every day. Click the subscribe button now and hit the bell icon to not miss any messages. Together, we will continue to explore the truths that the universe has in store for you, revealing love, healing, and blessings that are to come. Remember, the angels are always with you.